Good morning everyone. Myself Yamasmita and today we are going to do the comprehension part and the question answer part of the chapter The World in a World. Okay, chapter 1. So let us start comprehension. Here are the question answer. Answer the following questions. मैंने सारे आंसर एक कॉपी में लिख लिए हैं, तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. Number A. Where does Geralt hunt for animals and why is it a good place to find them? Okay, let's see. Geralt hunts for animals in an ancient crumbling wall that surrounds his garden. It is a good place to find animals because many different creatures live in the cracks of the wall and under the bulks of the old plaster. Okay. B. Make two lists of animals under the following headings. Number I. Animals that Geralt finds in the day. Animals that Geralt finds at night. दो लिस्ट बनाना है जो एनिमल्स गेरल्ट को सुबह दिखते हैं और रात को. ओके. इन द डे हंटिंग वेब्स, कैटरपिलर, स्पाइडर्स, फ्लाइज, ड्रैगन फ्लाइज, वॉल lizard. Okay. At night the toads, geckos, crane flies and moths. Number C. Explain who the following characters are and find information about what happens them in the next. Larry, Roger. Okay, Larry. Larry is Geralt's elder brother. He talks a lot. He smokes. He flings his arm out when he sees the scorpion. The shock of the incident makes him scared of Matchbox. Okay. Then Roger. Roger is a pet dog. Geralt feeds him at mealtime. He barks wildly when the incident happens. Geralt takes him on walks. Okay. Number D. What does Geralt think the female scorpion is wearing? What gives her that appearance? Geralt thinks the female scorpion is wearing a pale brown fawn fur coat. All her babies are clinging to her back, which is what creates the impression that she is wearing a fur coat. Okay. Number E. Why does Geralt forget about the scorpions after he has put them in a matchbox? Geralt forgets about the scorpion because he gets busy with feeding his dog. Number F. What happens to Geralt's mother during the chaos at the end of lunch? Geralt's mother, completely bewildered by this sudden and rapid change from peace to chaos. She is soaked by water after Margot tries to throw it at the scorpions and misses. She not able to stand cold water and lost her breath and sat gasping at the end of the table and unable to protest. Okay. Then number G. Why does Geralt stay away from the family in the afternoon? Geralt stayed away from the family in the afternoon because he knows they blame him for the incident that happened and wants to allow the family to have a break before seeing them again. Okay. Number H. What are the repercussions of the incident? The repercussions of the incident are that Larry developed a phobia about Matchbox and mother decided to try to stop Geralt from exploring the animal world. Okay. Turn over the page. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. I. Why do you think that the chapter is called The World in a Wall? I think this chapter is called The World in a Wall because most of the Geralt's life was spent with wall hunting different types of insects. J. Pick out 3 Geralt descriptive phrases about scorpions. How does he feel about scorpions? The 3 of Geralt descriptive phrases about scorpions are: they are the shyest member of world community. They don't seek any attention. They are also most dangerous. Okay. He likes scorpions. Also, they are favorite creatures of him. Okay. K. Work with author to fill in the Venn diagram below with the names of the creatures mentioned in the story. स्टोरी में कौन कौन से प्रे हैं और कौन से प्रेडेटर है. तो प्रे है क्रेन फ्लाइज, मॉथ्स, बेटल्स, कैटरपिलर्स, फ्लाइज. प्रेडेटर है लीजर, spiders, toads, geckos, hunting wasps, or dragonflies. Then number 2. Answer the following question with reference to context. I completely forgot about my exciting new captures. Who forgot and what distracted him? He captured the creatures. Geralt forgot because lunch distracted him. Number B. Why did the capture the creature? He captured the creature because he wanted to keep them and watch them grow up. Number C. Where were the captured creatures left? The captured creatures were in a matchbox. D. What happens next? Larry grabs the matchbox and opens it while talking. The female scorpion scuttles on to the back of his hand. Larry is shocked to see them and flings the scorpion on the table, and everyone is panicked by seeing the scorpions. Okay, then working with words. Number 1. Use the following words in sentences of your own to show that you understand what they mean. You will find the words in the story. Bulging. Bulging मतलब बाहर निकला हुआ. Rohit stared at the dog with bulging eyes. Eloquently. I eloquently entered the room. मतलब अजीब सा फील होना. ओके, हेजिटेशन होना. Enraptured. The audience was enraptured by her beautiful voice. मतलब खुश होना. Surreptitiously. Roy surreptitiously had a look in the answer book. मतलब secretively, चुपके से. Okay. Oblivious. The public seemed oblivious to the danger of low-flying aircraft. Inhabitants. The inhabitants of the city depends upon the river for drinking water. Dawdling. He has been dawdling his time away. मतलब slow जाना. Confetti. Confetti means the winning team was showered with confetti. Confetti मतलब कलरफुल पेपर्स होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं confetti. जो मैरिज में या फिर ब्राइड ग्रूम के ऊपर जो फेंका जाता है ना कलरफुल पेपर, उसको बोलते हैं confetti. ओके. देन नंबर 2. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. कलेक्टिव नाउन्स किसको बोलते हैं? कलेक्टिव नाउन्स कलेक्शन ऑफ किसी भी चीज को. ओके. जैसे कि एक मान लो सिप का एक कलेक्शन है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सिप के कलेक्शन को फ्लॉक बोलते हैं, हर्ड बोलते हैं. ओके. देन अगर हम लोगों के भीड़ को, कलेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमंस, तो उसको हम क्राउड बोलते हैं, भीड़. ओके. वैसे ही कलेक्टिव नाउन उसको बोला जाता है. On the next page are some common collective nouns. Can you match them correctly and write them in your notebook? Example, a swarm of bees. Bees के collection को swarm बोलते हैं. वैसे ही यहाँ पे दिया गया मैच कर रहे हैं. Sheep को flock. Then cow, herd. Horns, pack. Ants, colony. Stone, heap. हिल्स, रेंज. ओके. कीज के कलेक्शन को बंच बोलते हैं. पपीज के कलेक्शन को लीटर. पिग्स के कलेक्शन को हर्ड. पीस के स्कूल. वुल्स के पैक. कार के भी पैक. ओके. सो यहाँ पे लर्निंग अबाउट लैंग्वेजेस. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. हमारे पार्ट्स ऑफ कितने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है? 8. ओके. 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ क्या क्या है? नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, कंजंक्शन एंड इंटरजेक्शन. तो हमें 7 पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को यहाँ पे लिख के याद करके एग्जाम्पल लिखना है. जैसे कि नाउन्स का मैं बस एग्जाम्पल बता देती हूँ, आप खुद से लिख सकते हैं. नाउन का एग्जाम्पल होता है कोई भी नेम, थिंग, प्लेस, एनिमल में से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. प्रोनाउंस का ही, सी, वी, अस, दे, ये सब. एडजेक्टिव ब्यूटीफुल, टॉल, शॉर्ट, ये सब. वर्ब रनिंग, प्लेइंग, ईटिंग. देन एडवर्ब को क्या, जैसे कि लाउडली, नॉइजली. देन प्रीपोजिशन इन, ऑन, आउटसाइड, इनसाइड. कंजंक्शन एंड, बट. इंटरजेक्शन वो, वी, हुर्रे, ये सबको इंटरजेक्शन बोलते हैं. नंबर 2. मेक लिस्ट ऑफ द नाउन्स, प्रोनाउंस एंड एडजेक्टिव. हमें लिस्ट बनाना है यहाँ पे नाउन का, प्रोनाउन का और एडजेक्टिव का. मैं यहाँ पे बस अंडरलाइन करके, वन डे भी एक नाउन है, मर्लिन एक नाउन है. द विजर्ड. ओके. केम आउट ऑफ द डीप ग्रीन वैली. डीप एडजेक्टिव है. ग्रीन वैली ऑफ वेल्स, ये है नाउन. एंड passed along the stoneway noun. London भी noun. Okay. He pronoun. Was a famous man. Famous adjective. Man noun. Okay. and no one dared to attack him. ये pronoun him on the way noun. When he pronoun got to London noun. He spoke pronoun he spoke to the bishop noun, and they pronoun called a meeting in the Great Abbey church. ये है noun. Suddenly everyone in the church noun started to murmur because there appeared outside the church noun a great stone noun. On the stone was an evil, and in the evil was shining noun. Okay, evil noun. So these are the nouns, pronouns and adjective. Then interjection. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, बुक से ढूंढ के 6 वर्ब और 6 एडवर्ब्स लिखना है. ये बहुत ईजी है, आप खुद कर सकते हैं इसको. इंटरजेक्शन को किसको बोलते हैं? सडन इमोशंस को जैसे कि और उसमें एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क्स लगता है. वर्ड्स विच शो फीलिंग, इमोशन, एंगर एंड डिलाइट एंड आर कॉल्ड इंटरजेक्शन. जो भी सडन फीलिंग्स हो, इमोशन हो, एंगर हो, डिलाइट हो, उसको इंटरजेक्शन बोलते हैं. जैसे कि अंडरलाइन द इंटरजेक्शन इन द फॉलोइंग: वी, अलास, हुर्रे, अग. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? नंबर 5, फाइंड 3 इंटरजेक्शंस इन द वर्ल्ड इन ए वॉल. बुक से आपको ढूंढना है. मेक लिस्ट ऑफ अदर इंटरजेक्शन दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ. यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं वो और लिख सकते हैं पूरे तो है आउच. ओके, दिस मच विल राइट. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.